So at the end of the video, we were going to work part B. We had just worked part A. So if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you do. And if you haven't read exercise 3-4, please do. All right, so we're on part B, and it says prepare the journal entry to record the payment of employees' wages on Friday, January 4th. So we got a couple of things going on that's very important to note. This is the end of the year right here, or the end of the year and the beginning of the year. So this is last year, and then this is this year, all right? So we had figured out what the wages were for just that one day on Monday, December 31st. And we recorded that as a wage expense and a wage payable in letter A, part A, in the prior video. So the daily wage, if you want to look at it that way, is $1,250 a day. How do we know? We calculated it just for one day on Monday. So it's $1,250 a day. And the problem says that these people will not work on Tuesday, New Year's Day, January 1st. They will also not get paid for not working on January 1st. There's no holiday pay. So they'll be paid for these 3 days, January 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And they get paid on Friday. All right, so on Friday, they're looking for a paycheck with 4 days, okay? So we've already recorded one day, so we need to record 3 more days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 3 days. So $1,250, that's how much they're paid every single day, all of them together, times 3 is $3,750. So the entry to record when we pay our employees on Friday will be debit wage expense, $3,750 for these 3 days. Again, this is in the new year. So let's say this is, because right now I'm recording this as 22. So let's say this is 23, and that's 22. All right, so that's the last day of 22. And then this will be 23, which is next year for us, the date of this recording. All right, so we recorded the wage expense for last year in that one day of this week right there. See, so we got a cutoff. That's the purpose of an adjusted entry, is to get the cutoffs right. Wage expense for this current period in this year is $3,750. We went over how to calculate that. Go ahead and debit wages payable right here, because we no longer owe it. We're fixing to pay the employees right now on Friday the 4th. So debit wages payable $1,250, and we'll credit cash $5,000 because we're paying employees. And if you want to think about it, 5,000 is right. So $1,250 a day for all the employees times 4 days is 5,000. All right, so this tells a story. So you see this date, it'll say 12/31/22. Wages expense, $1,250. So we recorded wages just for that one day, and it says wages payable, which means we're not paying people that day. We'll pay them in the future because we owe it. We're recording it, we owe it, but we went ahead and expensed it. Then on the day we pay it, which is January 4th, 23, wage expense $3,750 to capture these 3 and for the first few days of the new year. We'll debit wages payable because we're going to go pay what we said we're going to pay, $1,250, for a total cash of $5,000, which is what the employees are looking for. They're looking to be paid that amount.